Another Uber driver.
Who's also an attorney.
Which we found that out very fast. The New York Post posted this video also.
It's from a long time ago, right?
Oh, yeah, that's all. This is from 2017. But it's old news. New news if you never heard it. Defensive attorney Jesse Bright, who's pulled over.
That's a great attorney name.
Jesse Bright? Mm-hmm. I agree. He's an attorney. We know this because we're clicking on the video.
Right.
Time the cops don't know this. So as soon as they pull him over, he starts recording.
I will look. You're a police officer on duty. I can record you. And if you come to this side of the vehicle, I can keep recording you. I can keep recording you.
I'd be scared. I mean,
I'm sitting in my car.
I'd be scared to get shot.
I think we talked about that.
Especially
before,
that
like,
motherfucker.
What is the law?
Hold on, that was the whole point of it. The video, the cop says it's the law, like he said.
Yeah.
What is the law? What are you arresting me for? I'm sitting here in my car. I'm just recording in case anything happens. I'm surrounded by 5 police officers. I'm scared right now. I'm not being a jerk.
I feel like he was gonna say something else.
What?
You're not searching my car. You're not searching my car. Canines. I don't care, man.
See that I talked about that also. Like pulling out the phone and recording is probably not. You're probably not getting off to a good start here. I don't know what to tell you. Like even though you're not wrong.
You're not wrong,
and
but
the cop lied and said like it's the law, like it wasn't true.
That's how they. I know it's not all cops, but like.
No, it's not all cops, obviously.
But the ones that make the other cops look bad.
That's what's scary to me in that moment when he's like, "It's the law." Like you're at me, I wouldn't have. When he said that, I would have been like, "Oh shit." You don't know. And this when he's like, "What law? What law are you talking about?" Here, I'm an attorney. You know, the cop says,
like,
"And an Uber driver." You know what I'm saying? Like,
yeah.
like, oh shit, didn't expect. And I'm like, damn. See, I've
had that happen to me when I got pulled over before. They were like, "Oh, you have a lot of tattoos, but those are expensive.
Oh, yeah,
what do you do?" And I was like a dog trainer, and they were like,
"See, that's what I'm saying." It would be like, what are we doing right now? Like,
right? Like,
is this personal? Like, what's going on here?
What does this have to do with anything?
But it's a weird moment. Look, see, that's where you kind of I feel like with the Uber driver. Who was with the girls? Like he had his camera already rolling. It just so happened you catch this on video. Thing. This attorney, camera already rolling. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, and he hears a guy saying, "You can't do that. It's against the law." Like, what law? What law are you talking about?
Right.
You know, you see that on video. He said it first, and it wasn't true. From there, the conversation's different. Like from there, no matter what happens, it's like no. But this started off with this. Took a turn for the worse with this lie. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like so it's a weird thing. Like, see, interactions, police officers or strangers, whoever it is. Like, are we to the point where it's like
you can't trust anybody?
You can't trust anybody. Like, you gotta have the video. Like, we blame the
You do. You have to have the fucking video. I'm telling you.
You do. We gotta walk around with GoPros on our chest to
seriously. It's sad, but like you do.
I thought red light cameras is a pain in the ass, and now look.
But they're probably helpful.
But like it makes you accountable.
Like, hey,
like,
you know what? Check the red light camera. I was running the red light.
No, word. They never sent you one that you didn't do. Like
you're not like that ain't me. Oh yeah.
As soon as you see that shit in the mail, you're like, damn.
They got me.
Glen Cove Road.
Like,
I fucking knew it. Like. I know exactly where that shit was. You know what I'm saying?
It takes a while for them to come from here. Florida, like 2 days, they were in your fucking mailbox. 2 days.
That's funny.
I feel like it takes like a month here.
Yeah, because here they
want you to get a list.
Yeah, no, they want you. They send it right when you're.
I always got a list anyway.
Yeah, see, that's the shit. Here, they just capitalize on like, hey, you're gonna fuck the first one up, no problem. You're gonna realize you ain't never gonna do that shit again. Then when you do it again, you're gonna realize like I'm gonna stop making rights. Like, even if the shit, if I don't even see the sign, motherfucker blow the horn at me. Like, nope, I ain't going, bro.
Maybe that's what. Oh my god.
It like
I've been behind people before, and I'm like, losing my shit on my horn, and they're like, ain't nope, fucking moving.
Because this lady in this doggy van behind me ain't gonna send me $150 when I get that shit in the mail. Ain't happening, lady. I'm one of those. I'm like, I don't give a fuck. I always go like this around. Come around. If you want to write that bad, it's right there for you. Go ahead. I'll let you go in front of me. Like, because of that though, like. If
you would just pay attention to the signs.
Maybe the GoPro is a good idea. Like, I was just gonna, like, just when I say it's crazy, I kind of feel like that anyway. Probably because we're on the internet all the fucking time. But I feel like, you know what? Like, it made me a better person. Like, live your life as if 10 people are watching you.
Yeah. You have to. You really have to.
live your life as
if there is someone always typically watching.
Now, and see, that's some shit. That probably heightens my anxiety subconsciously. But it makes me a better person. Like, you know what I'm saying? Makes you like picking up dog shit. It's like, you know what? Like, this is the right thing to do.
Right.
Like, you know what I'm saying? It gets you in good habits.
Does anybody like to pick up dog shit? No, nobody likes to pick up dog shit.
If you were on camera, everybody would pick it up. Like, you don't want to be that one person in your neighborhood because nobody, you know what I'm saying?
If they played that video at the end of every week and showed who didn't pick up on air, like,
oh, that.
And on the fucking village.
They should play it on the fucking.
They absolutely should.
Like they do in Florida with motherfuckers with like Grand Theft Autos and shit. Like, I'm like, damn, that's embarrassing.
Oh, yeah, true.
Now, you don't want to be
4.
Like, that's another Black Mirror fucking episode, but we're not gonna go there.
We can't.
Like, now if we see now imagine the billboard. You see the billboard, and you're like, oh, that's the person, and then you see them walking their dog. You're gonna be looking at them with a scowl.
Yeah,
like,
exactly.
You're gonna be looking at them like, you fucking
you
disgusting.
Stay away from my house.
I bet that changes their life.
Oh yeah.
Like, I guess everybody. It's probably scary. That's why Black Mirror made a episode about it. But it's true. Like, so if you live your life like 10 people are watching.
You gotta be held. If you're held accountable, you just think twice about things. You actually think things through rather than just acting on what you want to do first. Because
unless you're the police, then you'd be like, yeah, no. I'm gonna do it. Don't fuck around.
Yeah, like it makes you think twice.
Maybe that's why they freak out. Like, you can't record me. Like, no. I may say some shit. Like,
they are absolutely. And you think any of them know
I'm
the
gonna say some bullshit.
laws?
See,
like, you think they know
that's another thing too. And I'm not saying not all cops do.
Right.
But I'm gonna go out on a limb here and say there's a attorney.
There's a good percentage of bad cops out there. A really good percentage.
Not even that. Like, there's a large percentage of undertrained.
That's what I mean.
Cops.
Like,
okay,
just
right,
bad,
sure,
not a good specimen of a cop.
And that with like an asshole is a bad combination out on the loose.
Yeah.
With, you know, when you can tell a motherfucker
that's
like,
a lot of power.
You can tell a motherfucker like that you thought was just some rinky-dink Uber driver. Like, nah, it's the law. Put your phone down.
Right.
So then at that point, if he's like, all right, boop, and he's like, because you're being a jerk. He's like, boop, and he stops it, or he's like you said when we were watching it before, like, imagine that's when your iCloud's full and it's just like
dies.
That's when they pull you out the car and beat your ass, and then and what you gonna say? Like, you could be like, yo, he threw his phone at me.
Right.
Your video's gone, and now you're on your own. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. We're at a weird place, and if you do find someone's GoPro, you better leave that shit there. You see somebody's iPhone on the street, you better walk over that shit.
So I had no idea. No, it's.
I'm gonna get Eyewitness News to help me out for this one. This is one of my last weeks on a phone, so it's weird.
A whole year.
It's gonna be light work.
For you.
True. You'll have to start an iPad. God forbid.
Money man says he tried to do a good deed by returning a cell phone to its owners. Only to find out days later, he's being charged with theft. Ariel Rothfeld spoke to the man about what happened in a story you'll see only on 41 Action News. During